Guys, good afternoon and welcome again to another live trading session with me and marketpotentials.com. Now, I hope everyone's keeping safe and staying healthy, staying at home, all that stuff in view of the current pandemic going on around the world. Now, the reason I'm making today's video, or rather a bit more frequently in the past actually, has been to share with you guys a method that I have actually been using for the past 6 years to actually supplement my income. And it's called binary options trading, all right? And the platform you're looking at allows me to do that. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what binary option trading is all about if you're entirely new to it. Binary option trading basically works by you betting or hedging on an underlying asset. The asset can be a forex pair, like in this case, the British pound versus the Australian dollar. It can be a commodity, it can be a lot of other things like forex here, stocks, cryptos, commodities, whatever. All right. So I typically bank on the forex. I identify a couple of forex pairs which I want to trade, and that's what I do. Now, in binary options trading, unlike forex trading or commodities trading, the payouts are fixed, and it's a huge upwards of 70% return of your investment. So if I put in $500 in today's trade and it's successful, I get $380, okay? A 76% return of investment, which is huge, okay? It's a huge amount of money. And that's what I basically do, guys. Okay, so in today's trade, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to literally have you look over my shoulder as I embark on today's trade. Right, so this platform that you're looking at, it's called IQ Option Trading Platform. The sign up link is down at the bottom of this video. Go ahead and click on it, and you actually get hooked up with a free IQ Option Trading account in no time. Okay, so again, guys, to reiterate, this is a live IQ Option Trading account. This is my trading account as I see it currently, and you're looking over my shoulders to trade. So if you just want to follow me across, doing exactly what I am at the moment, so sit on that sign, pause the video, and you can come back and join me as I do this. Okay. Now, as I said, I'm going to literally set the trade up. So the first thing I do, I trade based on technical analysis. The indicators that I use are really, nothing out of this ordinary. The Bollinger Bands are already there, which is the, this red band here, the top, and the yellow for the lower portion of it. Okay, then I also stick on the awesome indicator. I also stick on the momentum. I also stick on the MACD. Where is that guy? Here he is. Okay, so as you saw, I stick to the default settings. That works more than fine for me. Yeah, so that's how I set up for the trade, guys. Now, I usually trade either the 30 seconds or the 1 minute window. This window is basically the time between the white line and the red line, as you see here. If it's 1 minute, then that's going to be the distance between the trade, and 30 seconds, that's the distance between the trade here. Okay, so now, as I said, the white line is basically the purchase expiry line, and the red is the the expiry line. Okay. Now, what I am actually looking at the moment while I'm talking to you, I'm trying to do a couple of things. I'm looking at the trend. I'm also analyzing the indicators that I see here to try and decide whether in this time frame here the price is going to be higher or lower. Okay, so basically you make a decision by the white line. So say if you say higher, that means you expect the chart to end up being higher between the portions of the white and red line, and vice versa for the lower part. Okay, so that's pretty much the only decision you have got to make. Okay, in binary options trading, that is all. All right, you just got to decide whether it's going to end up being higher or lower and put in an amount. So it makes things very straightforward. Okay, guys, I've taken a trade there while I was just talking to you. I've selected lower this time around, and I've put in $500 on this with an expected profit margin of 76%. Now, I stand to win this $380, which is the expected profit, as long as the chart stays below the red line. Unfortunately, it's gone up a little bit now, But let's see, I've still got just under 10 seconds left to see if the trade's going to pan out my way. Yeah, it looks a little bit close there, but I think I'll have it my way. And there you go, $380 in the bank. Okay, now that's $380 profit on an initial investment of $500. Okay, so I just made 76% of my initial amount. Okay, so which is, guys, I mean, think about it. In 30 seconds, I literally made $380 off and invested 500 bucks, which is, well, if you're able to tell me one single way which you can do what I just did, you know what, I'd love to buy you dinner, I'd love to buy you a drink after that, and I'll ask you to tell me all about how you did it, okay? Because this kind of returns are really, really hard to get. And, I mean, if you think about it, in Forex trading, for example, you buy at a point and you sell at a point, and the profit margin is not assured. You could end up making 2%, 20%, lose 50%. You don't know that. I mean, yeah, sure, you can use stop loss and stuff like that, but at any point of time, you have the unknown factor of returns. I love binary options because it tells me if I get my trade right, this is what I get, and there are no ambiguities about it, which is preferred to my trading style. Now, besides the looking at the chart, besides understanding trend and momentum and some basic technical indicators, you also need to have a fair amount of risk management, guys. Okay, you can start trading with your free IQ option trading account link below for just $10. Minimum deposit is just $10. But I do suggest, if you can afford it, I mean, it is really dependent on what you want to achieve after this, right? I mean, today I wanted to make 300 at a minimum, so I traded with $500. So I'm happy with that. That's $380 in the bank in profit. I mean, you could start with, if you want $10, then choose an appropriate amount, and you can try trading from there. So yeah, guys, I hope today's video has been a good eye-opener to how I set trades up and how I actually do make a trade as well. Do remember to always keep in mind a good risk mitigation strategy. I do have my own one, so I know. Just try it out, guys. I mean, seriously, if you're stuck at home looking to earn a bit of money, what better way is there than to trade from the comfort of your phone or your computer? And you can just get this platform by just clicking a link down below. Now, hopefully I'll be back again tomorrow with another trade that I can share with you guys. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care now. Happy trading. Bye.